Morning! Another day, another breakfast to cook. So we're going for near enough a full English today. So we've got some tomatoes, bacon, sausage, hash browns and an egg, and then I'll do the toast when it's ready to be done. So that's going to be the first thing to do that's the first thing to do this morning. Once breakfast is done, we're going to B&Q. Dan read on the website we can go as a couple. We're going to get some paint so we can finish the office. Yay! So excited to do that. And then what else do I want to get some filler from there so we can fill the holes in first. And then I will be going in the garden and definitely weeding. Definitely, she said. We'll see. There we go, breakfast is done. We're going to enjoy this now, ain't we, love? I also put a bit of makeup on while it was cooking.
And then B&Q.
Yeah, off to B&Q after this. Woo woo! Are you ready for B&Q?
Oh yes.
We are ready. Hell to the yes.
So we've got packages between, in theory, 2 and 6. That's all of them coming to that.
Yeah, we have a lot of packages coming while we're out, and when we get back, we still got packages coming. So, Mama, if the door knocks, can you pick our packages up for us?
I should do.
Oh yeah, we got two doorbells. So, thanks. Yeah.
Now I'll put all the pillars in.
We're just waiting for a taxi, and then off to B&Q. Hello, Oliver. Oh, just got to B&Q and the queue is absolutely giant. I mean, look at that, all the way down there, and it's saying the wait time is like 45 minutes.
Yeah, but at least it's moving.
Yeah, it's moving. I mean, we haven't stopped dead yet since we started walking up into the queue, but yeah, we're stopping now. We'll see how long it takes. I'll keep you updated. So the entrance is right there behind us. We're in the second row now. So I don't think it'll be that long. We're nearly there. Yay.
Get our little trolley.
Yeah, them giving trolleys out, so we ain't got to worry about that. There we go. Entrance is right there.
Oh, there's a new model.
And we are in. Yeah, that don't take that long. How long do you say? 15 minutes if that.
Yeah.
15 minutes.
Do you want to look at the new motors?
Yeah, we need to go and look at stuff.
Not a fly, man.
We need paint in that, but we'll get that last. Oh, I like them for the garden. That's not bad. We could get like a couple. If we got a total of 4, we could have 2 each side of the garden. They're nice. Okay, Dan likes this mower down here, so we might be getting that when he gets paid again, because there's other things we need first. Because we haven't got a mower for now. It says we have got a mower for now, so I'll get that next time.
I want to fly, man.
I know.
Never, yeah.
Dan and his plant pots. I'll be meeting my plant pots soon.
Yeah.
Oh, there's queues everywhere. I don't like this queue. Oh, I like them red gloves.
Yeah, cool. £3.
That's not bad.
You would get
I was going to say, you've already brought me some. I ain't even going to bother looking at wellies. They never fit me.
Do a little pointed levy. Yeah, no.
They're different. I like them.
Salos, yeah, from Venezuela.
These are 4 for $11 as well. We could have some of them.
Which that's 2 of them? 2 of them?
Yeah. I like them.
Very.
Oh, these are nice as well though, Dan.
Yeah.
Oh, see, I could get all of these. They look funky.
Which?
These are real. Yeah, I know. They're nice. I've never seen them. Options, Dan, options.
The nice.
Yeah.
Grow up the fence. You need like climbing fence things.
This is nice. I'm quite happy. This has cheered me up.
good. Oh, they've got no round brick looking rough.
Oh.
That's what they look like anyway.
Yeah, but we're supposed to be getting them from Hollybush
Holly
anyway,
Bush,
aren't we? Yeah, don't worry about that. Get them from Hollybush. Oh, sheds. We can look at the sheds while we're here. Shopping is done now. Got some bits and bobs in there. I'll show you later.
Go on.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so checkout was interesting. So they've got all the screens up between people. You have to stand in a box and put your trolley in another box on the floor. You have to then stand back again into that box behind while they scan your stuff in the trolley. And then they go back around their counter and then you can go to your trolley and take it outside. Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, I understand why they do it, it's safety, but it's still weird to see. Ain't it?
Yeah. Looking at the queue.
I'd say that's the same as.
It looks more busy than that.
You think?
Yeah.
All down there. You can't see.
No.
Yeah, shopping's done. Got bits and bobs. I'll show you what we got when we get back. And our parcels have been delivered.
Well.
Yeah.
Yours are.
Oh, mine have, yeah. Dan's eye. So yeah, get back home, go and see Mum, show what we got, and then carry on with the day. So I've decided we're not weeding today. It's too hot. We'll just do the bird stand because it's still on the floor. Can't even see it. It's still on the floor. Yeah, we'll just do the bird stand today.
See, I'll take that out of that pot and then actually let it grow in the.
Yeah, it's a grow bigger.
I don't want it to grow bigger. I've got enough plants as it is. I couldn't resist though. I love a good plant.
You wanted the one in the little orange dish, didn't you?
Yeah, it was a cactus. It was
3 cactuses in one.
It was
little dish.
yeah. It was quite big.
Like a big.
It was like a dish. And it had like 3 or 4 cactuses, different size cactuses in. But we don't know how much it was, did we?
Nah, they have a tag on.
So we don't get it because knowing our luck, we'd have brought it. It'd been like, I don't know, $5.99 or something.
You've only been in my phone.
Quick update on the clothes that me and Mum have just tried on. Turns out the leggings I tried had a tag of size 20, but on the actual leggings, it was a size 30 leggings. So they've sent me 10 times the size that I need. Dan will insert a little clip of the picture I took so you can actually see the size difference and what they've done. So they are in the wrong,
I'm glad I
not
spotted
me.
that.
Yeah, you've spotted it. Thank you. I will be emailing them because I'm not going to pay to have these shipped out back to them when they're the ones in the wrong. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the returns label once I do send them, but it'll have to be that they're too big and put like a little note.
Put wrong size, ordered a 20, but you wrong size sent.
With a wrong tag. They've tagged it. You know when they do the tag guns and they put the size on the clothes, like in a charity shop and that. I've done them in a charity shop before. They tag the clothes with the tag, and it tells you what size it is, and then you have the label on the actual clothing. They have put a size 20 on a size 30 leggings.
Yeah.
And not to be rude to larger people, but I am not a size 30. I know that for a fact. I'm not a size 30. So that's my rant. Not being funny, love, but can we just get them in? I don't really care when and what is happening. I just want the birds to be fed. I got me armour.
The robins like peanuts, the starlings, the woodpeckers and the sparrow,
Oh, what?
the wren and the blueton.
Oh, excuse you.
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go. Let's get it done.
I got the scissors.
No, you just told me to take them in.
I didn't.
You said grab the scissors. I thought you meant take them in. You just mentioned the scissors as I went in.
The scissors now. No, it's the check down there. There's a nanny.
You, woman, want to learn to talk properly. It's your age. Oh, right. Watch the poop. Watch out for the poop. Oh my god, this grass is brown. Dan's been watering it every night. And it's still dry. Oh well. Oh, right. Let's get this sorted here. Oh my god. Anyway. Right, the bird stand is up. We've put it more in the middle of the garden. I've just opened the seed. Where is he? I'm sorry if I'm filming the sky and not me. I cannot see a thing at the minute. Here's the bird feeder. There we go. There's the bird feeder. It's a bit dirty because we've had it years, but I mean, I don't think the birds are going to care really. One sec. Right. Let's fill it. Hopefully they'll eat this. Oops. Okay, that's full. Pop that there. Give me 1 second, I need 2 hands. Okay, there we go. That's all full. Put some peanuts in there and then sprinkle some stuff down there as well for the pigeons because they always go for this. They land on here and break it. So, and we've got no fat balls yet, but it's summer, they don't need fat balls yet. There we go, just put some water in there and then I'm done. So, I'm putting these on because we've just had a swarm of birds fly at us with a baby. And the baby's right there. He can't fly, so he's scared. So, I've got the gloves on to hopefully pick him up and put him over down the bottom of the garden and his parents will find him. Need to name him. So this is our new friend. Can you see him?
It's tiny.
I don't want to go too far.
Stand that little finger a little bit.
There we go.
Oh.
What should we name him?
Sonny.
Sonny. Hello, Baba. So hopefully.
Put him by the bird
He's
stand.
going to try and fly, ain't he?
Put him by the bird stand, it's open ground.
It's okay. Does anybody even know a bird call? Will the mother pick him up, do you think?
He might fly off.
He's trying to fly.
Put him in the shade. It might be too hot for him.
Yeah.
Go on, little man.
Hang on. Come on the floor with me. I want him to pop out my hand.
Just slowly tilt your hand. Tilt your hand. Good boy. Yes.
Oh, yay. Will he be able to get up now? So he's just landed on the shed and gone in the bushes. So Dan suggested putting some food on the roof just in case he gets hungry while he's trying to get home. Oh. Should I just try and throw it?
Yeah, go on.
This might go wrong.
Just go for aim it there, that's it.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's in there somewhere.
how does Mum find him?
I'm sure they will.
Well, that's one for the books. I was not expecting that when I was showing Mum the clothes video back. We just saved a bird.
Oh, it's people.
That's... yeah.
So it's that time of day again. What should I now? Get the hose out and give the flowers a good soak.
Woo!
And Carla's going to probably do and he's got out.
Do you want to start at the bottom and work you out? Because I've got no...
Do you want to water your plants?
Yes, please.
Or would you like to water that first, Lola?
We'll water it last. Look at him being a gardener. just while Dan's wetting them flowers. They're growing really nice.
Oh no, that
Yeah.
one's come out now.
Yeah, the pink one was a bit slow,
Yeah.
but now it's coming out. Oh, the yellow ones have come out there. Oh, and the red ones are starting coming out. Yes. Love it. I don't notice them the other day. Give the garden a good soak. I walked on it earlier and it's still as dry as anything, even though you keep your watering it of an evening. You got another king?
No, I've got a block over there.
Probably dry pearl.
Probably.
This flower, oh my god. Look how beautiful it is. Update on the flower.
Oh,
God. Hang on. I love it. I think we'll be able to pull. Oh, sorry. Zoomed in. I think we'll be able to pull them and then just keep this here because they're mostly just weeds. Oh, yes. Looking very beautiful.
She's looking like that.
Yeah, I love it. Who'd have known that we'd get something here like that? It looks like it, like the beginning of it. Yeah, the only difference is that one you can see the green root.
Yeah.
There's no green root there at all. We'll have to look better once all the rocks up in there.
Yeah.
And be very careful.
Oh yeah.
Are you comfy there with Mum? Huh? What's your dad doing?
Your dad's doing the fencing, so you're watching the fence. Guys, I'm tired. Yeah.
So I was going to cook tea tonight, but Dan's decided that he wants to film me instead. Sorry, I can't show you properly because that's its own vlog. Dan's decided he wants to order in instead. So we're having a Mr. Chips. I am having a burger. Mum's having a cheeseburger and Dan's having a pizza. And Trixie has seen the pigeon.
Because there'll be no chicks.
Self. Self. Go on. Self. Go on, chicks. I know. Anyway. Oh, something smells nice. Even Ali can smell it. Yeah, we're ordering in, so we're just waiting for that now to come. Dan's doing his own vlog for something that's going to be coming up soon. So stick around for that. And I will see you again when the food's in. So once again, we've ordered Mr. Chips, and guess what's arrived wrong? Now, this is the second time now that I've had a beef burger, like Mum over there, right? Plain beef burger, no salad, no sauce. And they've sent me a double cheeseburger. Now, like I said last time, I wouldn't be surprised if they got it wrong, but it's the fact that there's two choices for burgers. There's beef burger on its own, and there's a cheeseburger.
Two on them chicks.
So I am now just eating these. Well,
Shut up, come.
don't mind the background noise. There's pigeons in the garden. Right over there. So, Dan's trying to get onto the phone to him again to tell him it's gone wrong again. So I'll update you. I'm sorry everyone, I've only just realised that I haven't even ended the vlog. It's the next day, it's Thursday. It's clapping night for the NHS again. So yeah, thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like and comment underneath, and we'll see you for another video tomorrow. Today. Bye.